Bonjour food lovers! I am making my own pizza sauce because the one that you purchase in the supermarket, it always has sugar and whatever else ingredients in them, and it's just so simple to do it yourself. So let's get started and start with the olive oil. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and here we have 1 onion and 3 cloves of garlic, really finely chopped. So we'll saute those onions. As you can see, it's they are really fine, so that's what we want. We want our sauce to be nice and thin. So I'm just going to cook those onion and garlic for just a little bit. So we don't want to fry the onions, we want just to soften them here. So ready to add our other ingredients now. So what we have is half a cup of tomato sauce and about 3/4 of a cup of tomato paste, because we want this to be thick enough to go on top of our pizza. So tomato sauce and tomato paste. It's actually 1 small can here, so I calculated it's about 3/4 of a cup. Okay, mix all that here, and we'll lower a little bit because this is going to start to spit and boil, so we just want to go slow. Here is our sugar. Now, I don't have sugar in my house, so we always use stevia for all the recipes that are asking for sugar. I replace it with stevia. So there's 2 teaspoons here of stevia. Tomato always need a little bit of sweetness. I have some fresh basil that I picked from my balcony garden. It smells amazing. So there's about 1 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon here of fresh basil. So now we're gonna add some paprika. I'm using about, what is it, half a teaspoon here, that's about right, of paprika, and half a teaspoon of dry oregano. For the salt, we're gonna go with 1 big half teaspoon, yes, and then some pepper as well. So here all the ingredients are here. We're gonna let that simmer just for about 10 minutes, something like that, just so the flavor gets through. So let's mix everything together. See, the consistency here is really thick. That's what we wanted. Okay, we're just gonna cover and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Et voila, our pizza sauce is ready. Now it's just perfect consistency. That's what you want. You want it to be so thick, and it smells amazing. So you can use it maybe on a cauliflower cross pizza, or I make it sometimes with the egg-based pizza, or with your normal crust if you like as well. But here you have a delicious pizza sauce, and you know what the ingredients are because you made it yourself. Bon appétit!